What's up, guys? What's up? You know, today's been crazy, bro. I went for boxing because I haven't been to the boxing gym this whole week since I was sick. If you guys know, you guys know. So, had to go. And then one thing led to another. Just got late, bro, with like meetings and stuff. The primary job comes first because it pays the bills. But we're here, bro. We almost hit that 10K in the public portfolio. I'm gonna put it up right now. Give me a sec. It's almost up, bro. How's everyone been doing, bro? Chilling? What did you guys buy today? If anything, let me know. Put it in the chat. Here we go, bro. We're almost there, bro. We almost hit it. We almost hit it. Let me just see if anyone's in the chat. And if no one's in the chat, all good, bro. We're chilling. We're still here, live, making shit happen. Instead of going for the Travis Scott, which has been a fucking joke in my opinion. Pardon my French. It's been a joke, bro. Those Travis Scotts. Anyway, bro, we're almost there. We're almost hitting the 10K. Not too far away. But we definitely made some moves. I dumped him $500. But before we get into it, I want to say, if you're on this and you're watching this, there's no time like now to start investing. Invest in yourself, bro. Like this money is getting crazy out here. Everyone's making my Discord group, my WhatsApp group is lighting up, bro. People even who are beginners, bro, are making fucking dough, mad dough. So I want you to start implementing this in your life, executing, not just manifesting, right? First of all, disclaimer, I'm not a financially certified advisor of any sort. I've been trading in the markets, personally investing since 2015, right? I've done it all. I'm just sharing. If I had to join today, my portfolio would look like this today from beginner's point of view. So I cannot advise you what to buy, hold, or sell. I can only show you what I'm doing from a beginner. So I started this not too long ago. If you guys know, you would have seen my earlier videos and seen how basically 6 months in and we're making this shit happen. But it's mainly, if you look at when we started the streams, that's literally when I've been putting money into this account, right? The bell is about to close. What's the time? It's almost 4. What we did today, bro, we added some money, bro. We added some money. Let's go. Let's go. So let's obviously you guys caught me up yesterday. This is the recurring $20 you guys see, and the SPMO. Sorry, man, my bad. I was just looking at something else. So $20 in Google. What's happening here? Blah blah blah. 7 hours of yards from Robinhood. I think maybe someone used my link, which is below to Robinhood. So I must have got something. I don't know. Health Beauty about one share. Uh, Salesforce about $50 of CRM. X Energy about $30. Wisdom Tree, that's the new quantum computing ETF that we got into. Wisdom Tree, so ticker symbol WQTM. American Express, like I said, I personally use it, the wife and I. So we are accumulating American Express in this portfolio, the public portfolio as well. Um, you know, I think it's going to be great for the long term. AXP, we put $30 in. Iran, a new, so basically this used to be like a Bitcoin kind of mining crypto thing company. Now it's Nvidia has invested highly into them. Do your due diligence, do your DD. So they basically got in this play as well, and basically invested in this company, and this company is basically doing some sort of AI with them. Bro, just do your shit, bro. We'll get into it right now. But like, if I give you everything, you guys are just like, it's, I want to push you guys to do more. But I'll tell you what this IRAN Limited is. So we bought one share of Surface Navia. Bro, this has been on a run. I wish I bought more of this in this portfolio, but I didn't. But I bought one share today. Nvidia, this is I think a recurring in Nvidia Meta platforms, recurring. and Amazon is recurring, and we put $500 in to make all these purchases today, earlier today, right? And we never, the last time we put a $500 amount in, because I don't want to overwhelm new investors, beginners, right? The last time we did it was for DRAM ETF. Okay, that was the last time we put it in. But today we're up $227, so making shit happen, bro. Making shit. We still have $84 in here, but it's been great. So let's start from the bottom. Usually that's where the new ones are in. These are my recurring uh, buys. I think there's one more. So Amazon 5, which is daily in this portfolio, public portfolio. Meta daily 5. We just started that. This is the pharmaceutical company Lilly, ticker symbol LLY, $10. SPMO is the ETF, great ETF 20, and Nvidia, Nvidia. So weekly buy, weekly buy, weekly buy, daily and daily, right? Small amounts, like you guys can see, but they make impacts. Compounding is great, right? And every now and then we put money in to buy. So let's go here. And I'm still down overall because obviously this account had like crypto in it and stuff. It was showing people how to buy crypto if you didn't have Coinbase, and I was showing some people like almost a year ago. So this account literally was open up with jack shit in it, and it was at a loss. Most of my crypto, if you guys know, it's on Coinbase, and that's where I keep my crypto at. Um, Only because I trust crypto Coinbase as a platform a little more. The last time I was trying to do something Robinhood in the early days, and I don't know, bro. Like things got weird, but Robinhood. I'm not dissing on Robinhood. I'm not affiliated with Robinhood or Coinbase at this point in time. I'm just like using them, and it kind of works for stocks for Robinhood. Even crypto now, Robinhood is pretty good. But yeah, um, so let me just show you because the all time would literally show a negative, and I'm here for all the red flags and the green flags. The reason I say red flags is because when you go back to my past streams about this stocks, about this segment on the channel, it's literally I'm showing you everything was in red over here. It's all dips, right? So that's what I want to tell you guys, bro. If you guys, one second, my computer is doing some shit. Hold up. You almost hitting 10K. The Wi-Fi in the chat. Let's reply to the Wi-Fi. If you guys have y'all misses wellness with Sophie, that's my wife. She's into like facial yoga, sound bowl. Follow her channel. She just started a channel. So yeah. Okay, where we are both. Right. So going back to it, if you're starting, this is basically, I'm just showing you if I started today, this is my portfolio, how I would start today. With literally, if you go back, like we had what, one or two, 3,000, we started putting one, we put measly amounts, and again, my choice of words. But yeah, let's get into it. So, oh shit, sorry. So you want to see the all time. So the all time, like I said, it's not down $1 for some, that's what it's showing. Down. So we are literally going positive 1 year. So all time we're down. I honestly don't understand this sort, and it's kind of confusing because all time is saying this, but I go 1 year. Okay, I get it. All this is just 1 year, right? So all time. So I think this Robinhood account was opened in 2004, and I used to do some buys of crypto only back then. And when I opened Robinhood, I remember getting some free stock and stuff. So, but I want to show you guys this just to show you, just to be transparent with you guys, right? Then 1 year we're down 512. Year to date, which is Jan to now, calendar years 450 up. In the last 3 months, we're up 980. So we're now in the green, according to me, right? 1 month, we're up $863. In the last week, we're up $565. Today, we're up 226. Market just closed. That's we after hours we still make $6 and 770 and some change. So let's get into it. So basically, Right now, we're looking at Irene. That's what I mentioned. What is this company? Like I was saying, it used to be in something to do with Bitcoin. I wonder if Robinhood. So yeah, like Robinhood actually states it. Irene Limited is a vertically integrated data center business powering the future of Bitcoin, AI, and beyond. Like I said, it's now moved into AI and beyond with renewable energy. Now, if you look this up right on Gemini and stuff, which I'll do right now, one second, but it is strategically located in renewable, rich, fiber-connected regions across the U.S. and Canada. Irene's large-scale grid pro, right? So what I want is to use Gemini right now and tell you what Irene is. So let me just take a screenshot. Okay, so dropping into Gemini. Can you tell me more about the Nvidia investment in this company? And guys, if you're not using AI, bro, for whatever, whether it's just like this questions or whatever you using. So the market is absolutely buzzing about this right now, and it's a massive development of Irene Limited. Earlier this month, 2026, which is May, Nvidia and Irene officially dropped a game-changing announcement, a massive strategic partnership where Nvidia secured the right to invest up to 2.1 billion into Irene over the next 5 years. This isn't a simple hardware purchase; it's a profound structural alignment that validates. So transition from a pure Bitcoin miner into an elite AI native neo cloud powerhouse. Bro, this is crazy. So if you guys are in this, let me just put it in the chat, bro. If anyone's watching, can you to okay, one second. I need to obviously put it in parts, bro. Give me a sec, guys. I want to just put this in the chat if you guys are watching. So, and I'm a big investor in Nvidia as well in my private portfolio. Also, I have some of it in the public portfolio as well. But this is what I want to let you guys. I'm bringing this to your attention. These companies, bro. Do your DD, do your due diligence. See what these companies are doing, right? So we only put in, we only put one share now. Why? Because I want to not overwhelm the new beginners. Only because I wish, because I used to be overwhelmed before when I first started in 2015. So it's 61.61 right now. It dipped to earlier today 60 bucks. So let's look at a week. So I ideally would want to buy at these price points. If you look top right, 61. So I want to get it cheaper than that. Anything between 55 and 58, I would just keep on buying a share at this point in time, or fractional shares, which is basically not a full share. You could just buy, the market's closed right now, it's 4.8, but you could buy like $1 or whatever, right? Obviously, you just change it to dollars, and you could put 1, 10, or you just type in what you want to buy, right? So that's a new one we added. We're already $2 up. So we're basically about under 4% up with, a small amount. WQTM, if you guys follow me on YouTube, you'll know that I put posts in the community. If you follow me on IG, I also put what I'm buying in the private portfolio at what buy prices, what stocks I'm buying in that portfolio, and what I'm going to do tomorrow in the public portfolio. I kind of put teasers out. So if you want to follow me, no pressure. My IG links are there. You can follow me hit me up, bro, if you guys want to have a chat or whatever. So this is a new play for me. I'm going to be in quantum for long term in this portfolio as well. So we're down 0.20%, which is nothing. But like we only bought two shares, right? Overall, we're up. So today was down, but overall we're still up 1%. Another new play, ETF. So yeah, UMAC, bro. I was so busy in the morning, but look at this. It dipped to about, look top right where it says close and low. The low was 25 and I missed it because I got it for $31. And I don't have a lot. I would have bought another share if it dipped when it dipped that. So yeah, bro. Read about this company is fucking amazing, bro. Unusual Machines is a development stage technology company which engages in the provision of drone solutions with a focus of first person view. Bro, this is mad. This tech is getting crazy. Offers products to entertainment, recreation, and competitive racing industry. Bro, like drones are gonna imagine, there's this movie back in the day. What was it called, bro? I think Hugh Jackman was in it. Let me just find out the name. Again, I'm just asking Gemini. Yo, Gemini, what was that movie with Hugh Jackman? And it's all about robots and they're creating robots and they're fighting or racing and competing in tournaments. Let me know. What's that movie, bro? Real Steel. That's what that movie is about. Real Steel. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, that's what just came to mind, right? Real Steel. So, bro, imagine like you want to make some money instead of like horse racing, for example, racing drones and stuff. So we got into this place, and I like the name, bro. I'm actually from the gaming world. I used to work in the corporate gaming world. So this company, Unusual Machines, another new one. We're adding. So this is what I'm saying. Today's portfolio. I was talking to some of my guys who are like 20 to 40 million net worth in the group, and they're like, "Yo, we were all sharing our ideas. What would we do if we started as beginners today? What would our portfolio look like?" And honestly, this is what my portfolio would look like at this point in time. If I started from $0 in terms of the portfolio, what I would be adding slowly today with a really restricted budget, this is what it would be. Right? Look at the amount, $11, bro. We got this guy at 11.10. 11, bro. Just like my chart says, 11. Right? So again, I'm slowly, it's just five shares, some skin in the game, but we're going to keep on adding because if you look at a week ago, it was right here, bro. $10, so it's been in that range, $9. So if it falls below nine, another five shares. So yeah, that's what that company is about. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you what this company is. So what is bro? Like, let me just, Gemini kind of puts it in another better because I remember telling you guys about this. So this is what it is. It's in public healthcare, telecommunication, finance, but it's kind of using software platform to automate this. So another sort of source of AI, if you know, right? So we want to diversify the portfolio. Although AI is AI, but it's also doing things in automation, finance, healthcare, right? You guys go again. Google. I mean, this is what it is because someone might have used my Robinhood link, and I would have got like $5, which is 497 now. But yeah, so thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys using my link. And I'm sure if you use my link, you would have got something. So it's always tit for tat transaction, bro. Another semiconductor I'm in 26.89 today ended about, so we're just down percent, which is cool. So if you miss the AMD board, if you miss the NVIDIA, of course you can DCA dollar cost average into these small buys now and then. But these are other chip companies. Do your DD and check out these companies as well. When I add stuff in the public portfolio, you guys can see it. So you can also do your due diligence. Poya Technologies, again, are we down? Down 8%, little under 9%. It's all good, bro. 49.28. Average is 13.53. We'll just keep on buying more of this and see what happens. If it falls harder, the market's closed now Saturday, Sunday, right? So when it opens on Monday, falls harder, I'm buying some more. All these are my long plays and I'll review it after 6 months. So if you guys are on Reddit, you'll know about this company as well. So yeah, I'm not too concerned about it at this point in time. Um, this is the pharmaceutical company of Eli Lilly. One share is like a grand and 100 some change. So we're just building our position in the public portfolio for this stock, right? We're already up 5% and some change. Okay, let's get into it. MKSI, another small position, building a position again, up 2% and some change. You know, this is what these, it provides instrument systems, subsystems, and process control solution to measure, control power, monitor, analyze parameter. Bro, fuck, bro. It does all this and more, right? So, founded in 1961, bro. That's madness. So, yeah, another one I'm in for a long time. Now, I think this is all like the reason I got into like plays like this one, of course, UFO, Mars, Poyak is all to do with the SpaceX. So, I'm trying to capture that growth from now before getting into SpaceX, which I'm not buying the IPO, right? So normally in my private portfolios, I don't buy IPO companies when they first come out. I buy like literally because, for example, like let me show you this, right? So we have Coinbase here in the public portfolio. Now, if you go to Coinbase and we go to Max, right? So when it came out, which was listed on April 14, 2021, that's when it went IPO, right? Public, so the world could buy it. It opened at 250, right? And it went to 319, it shot up 328, 368. Look on the top left where it says, so let's go back. Open 250. The highest it ever went was 429. But if you look at it, right? 328. So you would have made money, but also if you held to now, look at this where it fell, bro. In June 30th, 2023, the low was $46, the high was $85. So you saw, right? So you have to give it some time. Yes, it is SpaceX, it is Elon. Some companies like Tesla and stuff, they go up in time. Right now, if you have to buy Coinbase, it's 188. So you're probably down from day one if you were holding, right? So you got to look at just look. Let's look at Tesla as well, just for example. I mean, this is amazing. Look at this. Listed on June 29, 2010. It opened at $1.20, bro. Imagine if you got in. Wow. So we're in 2026, 26 years later, bro. Right? So if you held from then, if you just held it without selling it, 26 years, you were like fucking, depending how much you put. You're multi-millionaire, billionaire, millionaire, thousandaire, 100,000. But you see what I mean? Like even here when it went up here, 244. So this was in 2021, obviously 11 years later. Because it opened in 2010. So it went up here. The high it went up to $414.50 and it fell to 313. You see what I mean? But yeah, if you've been holding from day one, but this is what I mean. Like it would be like if SpaceX does the same thing, right? That's why I'm showing you two examples: Coinbase when it went public, and these guys. Even if you look at Robert, so these are the things that you should be looking at in the charts, not with your heart. Trade with the charts. Let's look at Hood, Robinhood. So they went public, listed on July 29, 2021. They opened at $38 and they fell, bro. They fell to $9. Oh yeah, I'm in it. But like if you were holding from here, from 2021 to 2026, you would have made money, bro. So yeah. So let's see, bro. Maybe we might get into, maybe we might not and hold it, That's cool. But I'm not putting bags because it's a public portfolio. Even in the private portfolio, I won't add it in when it goes IPO. But yeah, I just wanted to show you those examples so you guys know what you're doing, bro. So yeah. Um, So all these UFO, it's all ETFs with space. It's loading. I don't know what's been happening, bro, with the internet. Some days I'm using AT&T now in South Florida. I used to use Verizon, so it's only $50. Got some skin in the game. 12.6. And this is a good way to put companies on your radar. Put like some fractional shares. Just see how it is. If it dips, buy some more. But I'm an investor, which means I'm in for long term. So I do reviews every 6 to 12 months of my portfolios, all of them. So yeah, Mars, Space ETF, another one. 22% up. So if you put more money, bro, you will be 22% up. So, but I'm just adding amounts here and there. Market dips, I'm buying more. XE, it's an energy company. Again, like adding, accumulating as when it dips. So it's dip. Today is May 29th, Friday. We bought it under $30 yesterday. You see what I mean? So as soon as if it dips, I'm buying this company because I know energy is the long-term play. Bloom Energy as well. Intel dipped today. If it dips a little more, I will buy again some more. Usually tech companies, when you look at their PE ratio, that's how I do it. So this is like literally off. Usually it should be 20 to 30 is 20 to 25 is great, but this is basically in the manner because the fundamentals right now it's not matching their revenues, their profits, their margins. It's just going by hype. Yes, there's people I know in my circle who bought Intel at $27. I didn't. Do I regret? I don't regret it, but I missed an opportunity because today Intel is 114. Just 3 months ago, if you got into it, it was 43. If you go year to date, if you look at it, it went even. So my guys must have got into a year ago. See, the low was 19. So 1 year ago, if you got into this, you would have made 460%. Madness. Looks like it's gonna rain, bro. So yeah, but I miss Intel in the private portfolio, but I had AMD. My AMD is like almost 300% plus up. Nvidia, similar. So anyway, CIBR, cybersecurity ETFs, skin in the game, $177, up almost 28%. Goes, guys, slowly. Like I'm building this portfolio. We're gonna hit 10. 10, then the road's 15. 15, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30, 50. One day we'll open up and it'll be like 100,000, bro. And then next, we keep going, bro. We keep going. If with inflation, with all these things, you need to be really smart today. If you have a phone, bro, you have a smartphone, bro, make this shit happen, bro. My cover's D brand, by the way, not sponsored, but D brand. Um, bro, you gotta start investing, bro. And like the way take your losses. Like if you like I said the example yesterday on the live stream. Like I was in Adobe. I sold 300. So I had about $600 in Adobe. Today's 429. We're up 8% almost. 7.9. But we sold $300 of Adobe, right? And these apps, bro, they tell you everything. Like you should do your DD, your due diligence, right? I sold 380 this Morningstar with 259. But I sold it because I sold 300 at a loss. I must have taken a hit by $60, $70. That's 60, 70, like my other ETFs or even this company, ServiceNow, bro. It's just covered that, right? Already 24% up. We are $488. And honestly, like these numbers, I'm saying it's small, but it compounds. These small numbers do add up. When you slowly start adding, like when this becomes to 30 shares, 300 shares, 3,000 shares, right? So yeah, bro. So it's like a business. So I took a loss, but I know I got into this other play and I made $92. You see what I'm saying? So I covered up the loss plus profit. Another company I'm just adding. I feel they're gonna do the same like ServiceNow, just shoot up. You know, This is a bank that I personally bank with as well, HSBC. So right now we're not even a 1% loss. 786 we have in it. I believe it's going to go up to, it's 191 now. Let's see what Morningstar says. Morningstar is saying 280. So we still have some room to grow. Okay. 280, bro. Adobe, Adobe, Meta. I'm saying this because I've been showing it. I'm just showing the new place because I don't want to become too repetitive. Every day I'm opening the same things. If it goes down or something is changed, I'll tell you. Like I told you, I sold 300, but I've been saying this. So Meta, Nvidia, bro, Meta, like if you get it, if you don't have Meta, just buy it. Like you don't have to buy one share. If you want, buy one, two, whatever your budget's aligned with, or add fractional shares and keep on going. Right? This portfolio has $976 out of 976, so 30. So about 940 is our investment, right? And that's cool, bro. It is what it is. Like you're saying, oh, you put 940, you made fucking $30. Um, yeah, bro, I made $30. But the stock is 632. I bought this stock when it was under $90 in 2015, and it did drop during the pandemic, and the private portfolio is picking up more. These guys are saying it's going to go up to 850. So it's an indication. You got to look at the charts and don't trade with your heart, bro. Like I said, I can't advise you what to buy, what to sell. You know, right now, I don't know if anyone's on this live stream. Does anyone not use Instagram, or if you're watching this later on, you don't use Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp? I don't know, bro. Oculus. I don't know. Someone maybe in your house has Oculus, so yeah. Meta, Nvidia. You guys know Nvidia. Google. Google we made $134. APH, Microsoft, bro. SCHD, VO, great ETF. Hood, bro. If the hood drops, bro, I'm buying hood, bro. I'm buying more hood. The hood, Coinbase, so far, bro. Another great company, in my opinion. $16, bro. Average cost. I got this in the private portfolio for $7.08 or some shit. So yeah, I believe this company is gonna hit like $50, $60 very soon. They're saying it's 19. Bro, we're almost there if it's 19. American. So buying power 84. So guys, 9,733. Next week, the goal is to make it 10K. 10K, bro. And if you guys are on this journey with me, salute you guys. So keep making it happen. Own it. One love. Peace. Stay blessed. Make it happen, bro. Start your investing journey today. Trust me. I'm doing it right with you guys. So yeah, keep doing your thing, bro. Make it happen.